Hello, welcome back. Hi guys, my name is Michaela and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing some makeup and it'll be fun and exciting because I have a broken wrist and I haven't touched my makeup in months, so we'll see how this goes. I hope you enjoy. I hope you subscribe and stick around. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so first up, I'm gonna put some foundation on. I haven't used this foundation, so it might like not match my skin color because it's the winter time, but we're gonna YOLO here. I'm just gonna put some on my face. Yeah. No way. Usually I put a primer on, but I'm not even gonna bother. And then I also have a beauty blender at the ready, but oh god, I'm just gonna use my fingers to pat this in. So I have some questions pulled up on my computer about just general things I can answer, and I figured it would be fun to answer them while I do my makeup. So let me try to find one as I blend this in. I'll start with an easy one. What is your name? My name is Michaela. Where are you from? I'm from New Jersey. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. It's really not a good match at all, but that's okay. What are your hobbies? YouTube is definitely one of them. I love video editing ever since I was in the 7th grade and I took a video editing class. Surfing, snowboarding, those are 2 of my hobbies. So up next, I have this blush illuminator sort of thing. I'm just gonna like pat it on my cheek and then blend it in. Okay, so that's a cream base. Wow, putting makeup on is so much fun. Next, I'll put eye primer on. Oh my god, I haven't done eyeshadow in so long. Some other hobbies of mine are musical. I like playing the guitar and I like singing. So hopefully I'll start putting on some covers on this channel, which I really want to do. So who is your target audience? I have no idea. Honestly, this is just for fun. I enjoy making videos and editing, and whoever wants to watch that, I welcome you. So you're my target audience. Why should anyone subscribe to your channel? Well, I am super passionate about YouTube and editing, and I just really enjoy this as a hobby. So if you want to see more casual, fun, and just uplifting content, definitely stick around. Okay, I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow. So I have this palette that I made. Basically, it's just from a few different palettes. I have some eyeshadows. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this. First, I'm taking this like brown shade. The next question is, where do you see yourself and your YouTube channel in 5 years? Honestly, I have no idea. Right now, I have a full-time job and that makes making YouTube really hard, or making videos really hard. But yeah, I really have no idea. I hope I'm still making videos, and yeah, we'll see what happens in 5 years. Who knows? The next question, who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Let's put on another eyeshadow color before getting into the juicy details. Okay, I think I'm gonna put this like really light shade up here. Maybe I'll match my orange chip chrome sweatshirt. Maybe I'll do orange and blue. How cool. Okay, now I'm taking this burnt orange shade and just putting it on the outside of my eye. I know this is not like good makeup content, but I'm not trying to Be a beauty YouTuber. I do enjoy watching beauty YouTubers. Oh my god, that's the question. Okay, who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Oh my god, I've been watching YouTube since I was 12 years old. Like, consistently, I guess. So the ones who have made it through the years and probably inspired me the most, Claudia Sulewski, you know, she's an OG. I just love her so much, and her editing has like truly made me excited about YouTube. Casey Neistat, you can't go wrong with some Casey Neistat. Jenna Marbles. Recently, Kelly Stamps, she's a great channel. I love her humor and just her passion for YouTube and just making helpful videos. Chris Clemens is a big one. He is so funny and I love his videos, and I think I found him through Claudia. A new find is Cynthia with Inspiro. I'll put like the links to her channel. She is creator all about sustainability and sustainable fashion and stuff like that. So she's really awesome. I love Lily Thompson, who creates real estate videos. A quarantine find is Jamie O'Brien, who posts surf content and is living in Hawaii. I'm just so jealous. I want to live in Hawaii. Oh my god, and Patricia Bright, how could I? Oh my god, I almost forgot Patricia. She is like so inspiring and has a great, I think, beauty channel, but I found her through her personal finance channel called The Break. So that's a really good one if you're interested in like finance content. So yeah, those would be a few of my favorite YouTubers. Okay, up next, I think I'm gonna put some like blue in the middle. So this color, look how pretty that is. Can you see that? No, you can't. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with the orange. Oh man, this looks so cool. The next question is, how much time do you spend on YouTube every day? I think I spend like 1 to 3 hours on it every day. Obviously, depending on the day, but like if it's a Saturday, I'm definitely spending like at least 3 hours on it. Especially if I find like a topic I wanna like delve into, I can really just watch it for hours. What software do I use for editing? I forgot the name of it, a Final Cut Pro. I invested in a Mac recently and I bought like the student pack for all the like creative software that Apple creates. So I have that. What camera do I use? I'm using my iPhone because they're freaking insane with quality now. So it's just easier than setting up a camera. I also have, well, my boyfriend has a GoPro. I forget the model, it's a Hero something, but he lets me use that a lot in all my videos. So like in my last snowboarding video, I used that. Yeah, mainly my iPhone and a GoPro. So I'm gonna blend out this orange or tan shade more. Okay, I'm gonna answer some random questions I think of. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Moana. It's just a really great film. Sorry, I'm off the screen. And I get so emotional when I watch it. It just really speaks to me. So I grew up around the water and sailing even. So it is really cool to see Moana take on the challenges on a sailboat. So yeah, I don't want to give any spoilers. I think my eyes are done. If money was no object, where would you live? That's a good question. I would live probably on an island like Hawaii. Yeah, I'd probably live in Hawaii. The other week I had a dream where I was like begging my boyfriend for us to move to Hawaii. Like I was like crying in my dream, just like really wanting to live in Hawaii. So I thought that was funny. What is the name of your channel and why did you pick it? My channel is called M. Jean Creations. My middle name is Jean. My first name is Michaela, that's what the M is for. And Creations with a Z. I don't know why I picked that, but yeah, I just kind of like how it sounds, and I like that it focuses on my creativity, because that's, you know, the only reason I have my YouTube channel is to be creative. So I'm like so tired. It's only 9 o'clock. I am gonna put on some bronzer and some blush. I feel like there's no point, but you know what, whatever. At this point, oh, this smells so good. So this bronzer, see, if my hand was okay, I would show you. I guess I can show you. Nope. Oh. This is like butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, and it smells really nice. I really am excited for summertime because right now it's winter and it is like bumming me out. I'm like ready for at least spring, like spring to get some more sunshine. Hey. Okay. 3 things we should know about you. Okay, if you insist. I'm a Virgo. My friends and I were just talking a lot about astrology. So Bernie and Aaron, if you're watching, that was for you guys. I am lactose intolerant and I really enjoy playing music and singing. What do you think the hardest thing will be about becoming a YouTuber? I'm not, so... No, the hardest thing is actually like having the energy to film, edit, and do all the things about a video. I kind of like filming, I don't really like it, but I love editing, but it takes some energy. So I really am amazed at how many people make a career out of it. It's super taxing, like on your emotions and your energy. So yeah. Do you see yourself being on YouTube for a long time? Yes. Just because I enjoy it so much. Ooh, I just found, okay, I just found this beautiful little like eye shimmer I have that matches perfectly. Oh, I haven't used this in so long. It's so beautiful. Oh no, I did it. What will your channel be about? Bro, everything. Like, it's just about my life. So if you wanna see my life story, stick around. I also want to say that everyone, if you have the availability or the chance to go get a COVID vaccine, please go get it. So much relying on people getting their vaccines. Like normal, so much normal life relying on it, and it'll just keep people safe. So definitely get your vaccine. You can kind of see that more. It's like a little more shimmery, the blue part. Okay, what else? What else? I think that's all for today. If you have any requests for new videos or yeah, stuff you want to know, leave it in the comments and I'll be sure to attack it. I have oh man, I'm tired. I have some other video ideas that I'm gonna get going on. So, alrighty guys, I think that's it for today. I had a lot of fun putting on some makeup. This is the final look. I'll try to grab you in the light. We got the blue and the orange. We got some foundation that's too dark for my skin right now, but that's okay. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and yeah, be sure to subscribe and have a great rest of your day or night, whatever. Goodbye from me and my broken wrist and my full face of makeup. Okay, bye guys.